Across industries, welding safety is critical, but failures are still happening. In some cases, these failures have catastrophic consequences, like structural collapses, dangerous substance leaks, and even fatalities. HSE identified inconsistencies in welding safety standards, issues that led to dangerous defects including cracks and poor weld geometry, compromising entire structures. A thorough study uncovered 47 incidents where welding quality was a key factor. The most common failures were fatigue and overloads, leading to collapse in nearly half of these cases, and in some, people were injured or even killed. Key findings pointed to inadequate welder supervision, poor inspections, and poor design choices. Now, HSE has used this evidence to highlight the priority areas for improvement in weld quality. These findings are already helping shape new guidance for operators and industry leaders, guiding improvements, preventing failures, and saving lives. HSE has already issued improvement notices to North Sea operators, strengthening welding safety practices and ensuring safer working environments.